A8010 and A8810 series sugarcane harvesters. Cleaning and replacement of external and internal cab air recirculation filters. Series 8010 and 8810 cane harvesters are equipped with pressurized cabs with an air recirculation and air conditioning system that requires periodic cleaning and replacement of the filters. When to proceed. Clean the external and internal cab air recirculation filter every 50 hours and replace the filters every 500 hours of operation. External cab air filter. Removal. 1. Stop the harvester on a flat level surface. 2. Apply the latches and safety device. 3. Check the condition of the guards, ladders, and platforms before you proceed, and make sure they are secure. 4. Shut down the engine and let the engine cool before you service the machine. Turn off the machine's master switch. Use the appropriate PPE and be aware of the laws and safety rules for work at height. At the rear of the cab roof, locate and remove the D-ring screws. Remove the cover. Loosen the knobs. Remove the retaining frame and the air filter. Checking and cleaning. Clean the filter. To clean the filter, apply compressed air from the inner surface of the filter. Use a pressure that does not exceed 2 bar or 29 psi. Attention! Drain the water from the air compressor before you use compressed air to clean the filter. The nozzle of the compressed air hose must remain 30 centimeters away from the air filter. After cleaning, check the condition of the filter paper element and the foam edges. If you detect any damage to the edges and/or the filter paper, dispose of the filter in accordance with environmental laws and install a new filter. Installation. Use a clean dry cloth to clean the air filter housing. When you position the new element, check if the edges are fitted to ensure that all the entire length is properly installed. Install the retaining frame on the air filter and secure the knobs. Position the cover and fasten the screws. Internal cab air recirculation filter. Removal. The recirculation filter is located on the left-hand side of the inside of the cab roof. Loosen the cover. Remove the filter element. Check the condition and the saturation of the removed element. If saturated, immediately replace the element with a new element. Cleaning is not recommended. Use only original Case IH parts and filters. Installation. Clean the recirculation filter housing with a dry cloth. Install the filter element. Close the cover. Attention! In addition to checking and/or changing cab air filters, it is also recommended that you check the condition of the cab roof seal linings with the evaporator and the condition of the pressure profile of the lining. In this case, manually tighten and raise the part of the profile of the linings. This procedure should improve the seal pressure of the roof. If you detect any faults, replace the linings in order to ensure a perfect seal, and thus prevent the entry of dust into cab. Caution: for safety reasons, read and understand the safety rules in the operator's manual before you tilt the cab roof. If you have any questions, contact your Case IH dealer. This video does not replace the operating manuals.